Bato means to draw the sword. And in Bato Jitsu, or Iai Jitsu, we draw the sword and cut in a single action. This first cut is drawn from the saya in a solid, fluid motion. And getting to that point is very important. It's important that the hands are moved properly, that the timing is proper. I'll work with Shimabukuro sensei here as a target so you can see the proper way we draw the sword and align it with an opponent. As sensei approaches the sword, his left hand opens the sword from the koiguchi. This is called koiguchi no kirikata. The sword is opened with the left hand. The right hand approaches the handle. Notice that the wrist is lower on the right side. Only his fingertips are drawing the sword. He draws the sword using the end of the handle as his pressure point and draws directly up the center line of my body. Notice that the sword is not really turning that much. It's staying on a horizontal or a vertical plane, and he's threatening the center line of my body. Then the right hand grips, snapping the sword across and creating the cut as the left hip retracts. From a side view, we can see that there's total extension of the right arm in both the yoku ichimonji, or flat cut, or the angular cut we call keisa. This extension is with the right arm, and the critical application of teino uchi, which creates the angle of the cut, is done once the sword is fully extended. Notice that it is the hip that does the technique, not the arm. The hip pulls back and the shoulder blades slam together, creating an opening in the chest, which creates the cut.